want to talk a little bit about, I know like you and me, us in our shop as well, we do a lot of our own in-house kind of diagnostics and scanning, but sometimes we do have to sublet it out. And then if we don't set those expectations up front, and we're not clear with what those kind of results that we're expecting, what do you do in your shop to kind of set yourself get up for success kind of?
It's a great question, Chris. So, I feel like there's times that we're also in vendor management. And so I think what the best process that we can do is give clear instructions to what our expectations are. So in this case, the main thing that we look for when we're sending a vehicle back, and let's assume that we're needing it to have its codes cleared, or at least the DTCs viewed, we will actually send the procedure with the vehicle. So the transport driver will take that with him. And once that's there, we have already made service level agreements with air dealers or with their vendors that outline what our expectations are. Now, like you, I'm going to assume we've had failures there where we send a vehicle over and before the transport driver can even get back to the base, they're calling and saying, the vehicle's ready. We're looking at the procedure, and it appears that it's a 2 or 3 hour procedure, and they're already back. So I think what we do is, if we can outline to them, show them what that expectation is, remind them that not only them, but we are still liable for whatever they do and how it is that they do it. I feel like that we're covering ourselves. Outlining that clear expectation is critical as far as I'm concerned.
That's a good point too. Like at the end of the day, the liability still kind of rests on us as the repairers. Right. So it's really important that we're diligent and make sure that we get the information that we want. And not all codes need to be cleared, right? Like some should stay on there.
Great point.
And then let us know kind of what the issues are, and let us kind of make the decision of what needs to be cleared, what doesn't need to be cleared.
Sure. Great point, Chris. Great point.
If you found today's tip helpful, please hit the thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and share the video. Comment below for any future suggestions.
These videos are made possible by SCRS. If you aren't currently a member, I encourage you to join. Visit scrs.com or use the link in the description below.